Today I'll be showing you some card making basics. Specifically in this segment, I'll be showing you how to decorate a pop-up image card. Since we've made our pop-up brace, I went ahead and drew and cut out my pop-up image. This can be anything that you think your recipient would enjoy. Here I drew some balloons, but I didn't bother to draw the strings as those would be very difficult to cut out. Whatever you choose as your image needs to be something that you feel is feasible to be drawn and cut out by yourself. Once you've chosen and drawn and cut out your image, you're going to use a glue stick, which is usually the best adhesive for such a small item. Put a small amount of glue on the back of your image and simply adhere it to your image brace. Since I just have balloons without the string, I'm going to go ahead and draw some strings. Since your image has to be kept fairly simple, a lot of the times you can attach your image and then draw onto it to make it more complex and interesting. I'm just going to finish up the strings here, and then I'll show you how we can decorate the outside. Since this is a birthday card, I'm going to go ahead and close it and find the front. This is the front, and I'm just going to keep a simple message of happy birthday because we went ahead and put a nice pop-up on the inside, which should be the focal point of the card. Again, if you need to use a stencil or a ruler when you're writing, that's perfectly okay. Just make sure that it looks nice and neat. For some people, when you make the pop-up, this little slit bothers them and they don't want it to be obvious on their card. So you can also take another piece of paper, the same size as the card that you're using for your pop-up, fold it in half, and simply slide it over top and adhere that to your inner card. This makes for a more clean finish and you can't see the slit that's inside.